The next archer here, I am reviewing the Leatherman Wave. This is an old version of it. This was a long time ago that I had gotten this knife. It is a very large multi-tool, wire cutters, and needle nose. It is made in America. Yeah. There's a lot of them. The nice parts of this is it does have the tools on the outside. There's a fully serrated blade. And also has another blade. They do lock. And you also have a nail file. I also believe it's a metal file. And a saw. And all the things on the outside do lock. And the tools on the inside include a screwdriver, another screwdriver, a bottle opener that I can't get out right now. Oh, there it is. And scissors. And these other two tools. Well, I think they're a medium and a small screwdriver also. It also comes with a sheath. It fits in there extremely tightly, and it's kind of hard to get out, actually. And it's actually a pretty good sheath. That is the Leatherman Wave. If you have any questions about it, please comment below.